This is how to install banner time for the latest version of Warband, version 1.174. On the Nexus Mods download page, click Manual Download. I've already downloaded this. You'll get a zip file. Take everything in that zip file and drop it in your install directory of your game. This will depend on where you installed it, whether you have Steam or GOG, etc. Just copy all this, drop it in. Overwrite when asked. Now, in battletime.txt, you're going to set the password to whatever your password's going to be. You're going to set your server name, your server, save that. Scroll down to WSE settings. Here, the storage path, you're going to right-click, copy address as text. You can just paste that here, and at the end of it, add \WSE, and then save. Now, for using a dedicated server, which is what I recommend, you're going to want to take Mount and Blade Warband.exe, rename it to something, so renamed, and then run battletime start. This will start your server. When that's done, you can take this file that you renamed, put it back to normal, and then run WSELoader.exe. You can see the current module is now co-op. You can click Play Mount and Blade. Just waiting for it to load. So from here, you can create a new save file, play the game as normal until you're in the overworld. I've already done that for the sake of time, so I'll be loading straight into a character that is brand new, day one, just out of the starting area. So, we've come out of Telga, found some looters to fight. Find a fight, click on it, and now you have the option to set up multiplayer battle. It's important before each battle, you click Give Me Time to Save, save the game, now you can start it up. So now you click Set Up Multiplayer Battle, it'll say Quit Game Will Not Save, that's what you want to click on now, and it takes you back to the main menu. From here, you click Multiplayer. Since you have a dedicated server running, you want to click Join a Game. If you're the host, you can simply click Local Area Network, and your server will appear here. If you are the client, so if you are the friend joining the game, you're going to have to find it in the internet list, but then you can favorite it, and it'll be easier to find in your favorites list later. So we are going to go back to Local Area Network and refresh. I'm going to wait for it to be found again, because this always takes a minute. Might be faster if I just go back in. There we go. You're going to click Your Server. If you are hosting the game, you're going to enter your password here. Your friend joining does not need to put the password, they can just connect. Once you're on this screen, you press Escape, Administrator Panel, Load Battle. This will load the circumstances of the battle, so you'll remember we were 1 versus 13 outlaws. Then you can click Start Map. It'll freeze for a second, that's normal. It's just loading everything up. Once it's loaded, you can pick which faction you want to play as. I'm going to click Player Faction. Tutorial is my character name, but here you'll see a list of your character, as well as all the companions, or you can choose to play as a random troop. I'm going to play as my main character. You can choose who you want to control, so who you have command over in the battle. I'll take command over all troops. And then at this stage, before you start battle, this is when your friend would load in and they'd get the same options to choose from. Once they've picked everything they want, you can click Start Battle. And now we're in the battle. This is the brand new tutorial character with no army yet. And our opponents should be on the way. This is where, when your friend connects, they will be next to you, or they may have chosen the opposing side. But you'll be able to fight here together against the opponents who are here. There they are. So we'll try and kill one or two of them. See if I'm successful. Maybe not. Alright, well, let's just go down. We've lost this battle. Outlaws have won the round. From here, end battle, and then quit. Now you can go back to your single player game. You're going to load the file that you saved before. Click to start the fight again. But this time you'll have use multiplayer battle results. You'll click that, and there we go. That is indeed the results of the battle we just did. I didn't kill anyone, and I went down. Your enemies take you prisoner, and now the game carries on as normal. You can play the whole game this way. I haven't had any issues so far.